In this video, I will show you how to hide past posts on Facebook. So make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. To do that, all you have to do now, open your Facebook app. After you open your Facebook, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you tap on this menu, all you have to do now, scroll all the way to down and tap on this settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, go to this settings, first option. After you open settings, all you have to do now, scroll to down and tap on this activity lock, this one. Under this activity lock, all you have to do now, tap on this first option, your Facebook activity. Now scroll to down and tap on this manage post. Under this manage post, all you have to do now, tap on this filter option. So tap on this all category at the bottom. So under this all categories, tap on this second option which says your posts, photos and videos. So now as you can see now, here is all your posts on Facebook. So if you want to hide a single post, all you have to do now, tap on this mark on the post like this one. After you select the post, tap on this three dot beside the post and tap on this change audience. So tap make it to only me. So after you tap make it to only me, now you hide the post. Now no one can be able now to see your post on Facebook. Now you make the post only me. If you want to make the post public, tap on this, tap on the post again and tap on this section and tap on this change audience. So now you can make the post public like the way you want. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.